In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a smoke overlay effect to a video in CapCut PC. If you want to give your footage a moody, atmospheric look, adding a smoke or fog overlay is one of the simplest ways to do it. It can instantly make a scene feel more cinematic and textured without requiring any complicated editing. The good news is that CapCut PC has built-in tools that make this process quick and beginner-friendly. To get started, look toward the top left area of your screen where the main menu toolbar is located. From there, click on the tab labeled Effects. This will open CapCut's effects library inside the sidebar, where you can browse through different visual templates and overlays. This is where CapCut keeps many of its built-in atmosphere and stylized effects, so it's the right place to begin. Once the effects panel is open, move to the search bar near the top of that sidebar and type in smoke or fog. Then press enter to load the matching results. You should now see a grid of effect options related to smoke, mist, or similar atmospheric overlays. Look for a preset named smoke or mist. When you find one that matches the look you want, click and hold on that effect tile, then drag it down onto an empty track in the timeline directly above your main video clip. Placing it above the footage allows the smoke effect to sit on top of the video rather than replace it. After that, you'll want the overlay to last for the full length of your clip. Go to the timeline and find the purple effect block you just added. Click and drag its right edge outward until it lines up with the full duration of your video. Matching the timing is important so the smoke remains visible consistently throughout the scene. Now it's time to blend the effect more naturally into your footage. With the smoke effect selected, go to the top right Bertie editing panel. Under the Video tab, open the Basic section. Scroll until you find the Blend settings. Open the Blend mode drop-down and choose Screen or Lighten. These modes help remove darker parts of the overlay and allow the smoke to sit more cleanly over your video, which usually creates a softer and more realistic result. Right below that, adjust the opacity slider by dragging it slightly to the left. Lowering the opacity helps the smoke look less overpowering and more naturally integrated into the scene. A subtle overlay usually works best, especially if you want the effect to feel cinematic rather than distracting. You're all set. Done.